guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can make money online answering questions. And no, I am not talking about surveys. With these companies, you are solving real problems and you can get consistent income. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Number 1, MindSumo.com. MindSumo is a company that brings innovative millennials and businesses together. They have worked with big companies such as Amazon, Yahoo, Disney, Unilever to solve different challenges. How it works is MindSumo will post a challenge or question from these different companies, and each question or challenge will have a deadline for you to submit answers. Once you've submitted your answers, the company, which can be Microsoft or any other big company, they'll review all the answers submitted by you and other people. The best answers will be chosen based on feasibility, creativity, and relevance, and that money that was offered by the company will be split according to the number of winners. Companies usually choose multiple winners, so that increases chances for people to earn money. They post different questions or challenges every week, and the current question is, what is the next evolution of e-commerce? You need to answer that question, and this particular company is offering $800. So if they pick one best answer, that person will get the entire $800. But if they pick 2 or 3 people, it will be divided by 3 or by 2. This is a broad question, but you shouldn't worry, because on their website, they guide you how to answer the question, what to say and what not to say. There has been someone who walked away with $3,800 in 1 week for answering a question. So you can make a lot of money. The nice thing is you are solving real problems. And that's why some companies offer $5,000 per question or even $10,000 per question. It gets even better. If a company really likes your answer, they can reach out to you and they can offer you a permanent job in that company. Just by bringing real solutions to real problems, you can potentially be hired by a big company like Microsoft, Amazon, or Unilever. If you're someone who enjoys challenges or thinking outside the box, this may be for you, especially if you are a student or recently graduated. Many people use the money from MindSumo to pay for their tuition fees, so it pays a lot if you are really serious. You don't even have to be the best. I know when I say challenges, you may be thinking maybe you have to be like Einstein smart, but no, you just have to be able to think outside the box, bring solutions to real problems. And remember, most of the time the prize is shared because they pick multiple winners, so you can potentially earn every single week even if you are not the best. If you are interested in checking this out, you should head over to their website and apply. You can also check previous projects and see how other people answered. Don't worry, I will leave all the links down below. Number 2, AskWanda.com. This is a research-based question and answer website. This company is good for those of you who love research work. Users will post different questions. You'll have to research and answer those questions, and you get paid in return. Each question can take about 3 hours to answer, but the client will be given 24 hours turnaround, so you have enough time to research and answer the question. You can work for Just Wanda as a researcher or a writer. There is a 3-step application process that you need to go through, and it tests your English and your critical reasoning skills. After passing that application, they will notify you via email and you can start working immediately. They pay between $15 to $25 per hour, and they pay via PayPal every 2 weeks. Number 3, Clarity FM. Clarity connects experts with clients who need advices on different topics. It could be about how to grow a business, digital marketing, email marketing, parenthood, life coaching, videography. When you go to their website, you create a profile as an expert in something. The company will schedule a call between you and the client, and they'll generate a new number for you, so you don't have to use your personal number. You also get to charge your own rates. If you say an expert in motherhood, for example, the client will contact you and you'll have to answer whatever questions they have, and you charge them per minute. Once the call between you and your client is over, you will see your earnings immediately because they are charged prior by the company. They use an estimation. They also pay via PayPal, and you can request your money immediately. If you have any experience, and by experience I don't mean you must have a degree, you don't need any degree. When you go to their website, you realize that some people are even experts in waitressing, experts in parenthood, so they are experts in many things that don't need any degree. I think the company uses the word expert so that the client can feel safe that they are getting advice from someone who knows what they are doing. So it's not about you having worked 20 years or 10 years or 5 years in that field. You can go to the website and call yourself an expert even if you have 1 year experience in something, and it doesn't have to be career related. It can be life coaching, like I said, waitressing, parenthood, or anything. Just go to their website, check the category list, and see which one you like. If you want to earn consistently answering questions on daily basis, this may be for you. Number 4, SchoolSolver.com. This is a marketplace for school homeworks, and you get paid for answering school-related questions. SchoolSolver is very popular and trusted. It has even been recommended by Forbes to students. Students ask different questions on different topics, and they include the price they're willing to pay per question. Before joining SchoolSolver, you have to take a standard English test, and and excels in whatever subject you're going to be specializing in. Answering questions on School Solver can also bring you passive income, because once you answer a question, students who are following that question can also chime in and ask more questions related to that question. That means you'll be continuously earning. This way of making money is not only for people who are currently unemployed. Even if you are a professional, you can make a lot of money from this. There's this one doctor who made over $4,000 by answering medical related questions. If you don't have any qualification, don't worry, because MindSumo and Clarity don't require any qualification. They just need your brain. We all know university is not the only way to get knowledge. In fact, most of the things I know today, I learned them by myself, and you can too. These are the companies you can check out if you want to get paid for answering questions, and these companies are totally different from surveys. Each and every hour counts here, and you can make this a full-time job because they pay really well. Thank you so much, guys, for making it this far. If you have any question, please drop it down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can.